Alright, I'm about to record a video, Susie, not to like cut you off or anything.
And what do you mean you record a video, nigga? You already did the main.
I know, that's not the type of video I was recording today. Can I do my video?
I like them eyelashes. Can you put me on those tomorrow?
They were only $1.
Please.
Wait,
Yes.
oh, you go back to school tomorrow?
No, I go back to school Tuesday.
But okay, don't do that.
I was just.
Alright, hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be the first haul that I'm going to post on my channel. I went to the beauty supply store, and then I also added one item that I bought just because I needed. If I sound like sick or don't look 100% of the face, I know I have makeup on, but anyways, it's because I'm very sick right now. Alright, so the first thing I got from the beauty supply store is this Queen Helene cholesterol hair conditioning treatment, and it's for dry over processed hair. I got this because when I was a kid my mom used to use this, and I remember how my hair used to feel after she did it. My hair would be all nice when she tried to braid it. I did a coffee rinse in my hair, so my hair is a little bit more darker now. Dye, I just felt like it was, that's always how it is when you go lighter, like it's harder to keep up with it, so cholesterol treatment will be one of my best friends. The next product that I got, I've actually never used this brand before. It's called DNA. I was born this way. But it's a deep penetrating mask treatment conditioner. It's for spiral, wavy, kinky, coily, and straight hair. It smells like Play-Doh. Yeah, I smelled it in the store. It does smell like Play-Doh. But the reason why I bought this is because I looked at the ingredients list and it was like aloe vera juice, coconut oil, there's a little bit of alcohol in here, shea butter, olive oil, vitamin B3, vitamin B7, B5, kukai oil, argan oil, soybean oil. There's a lot of good stuff in here, so I'm excited to try this, especially because it's winter time. We're deep conditioning in 2019. That's exactly what we're doing, once a week. The next things I got, and these usually retail for $8.99 each, but the beauty supply store had them on sale for $4.99 each. Both of them literally have really simplistic ingredients in them. For instance, the hair oil has coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba, rice bran, cocoa butter, pomegranate, rose hip, pumpkin seed, and then it's like a list of like vegetables, not vegetables, but stuff like that in there. So basically everything good for your hair. I've been trying to do my research on this because I want to figure out how to use these products, but for now I'm only doing it, putting it in my hair for like once a week. I put some in a spray bottle and I'm like spraying it into my hair. And for this one, because it says this one too, you have to like build up how often you use the product. So this one I didn't, since it's a moisturizer. I put this in my hair like the day I style it. Maybe towards the end I'll add a little bit more, but I'm trying to do it in moderation because some people, they've said they've seen really good hair growth with this, but if you use too much it's like too strong, and I don't want any like hair breakage or anything like that. So yeah, but so far I've been liking these. I like the smells of them because they're like essential oils. My sisters think they smell not that good. I was out of conditioner, so I got this big bottle. This is the Organics Quenching Coconut Curls Conditioner. I mainly got this because I know coconut is very like hydrating, and I smelled it. I don't know how to describe this smell, but it does smell good. And it was only like $5.99 I think for this big bottle. But I tried it. I washed my hair with it once. My hair like was really soft and like curly afterwards. I washed it when my hair is like this, but this is like from a braid out, so this isn't the curls that this gave me. But my hair always needs like a thicker cream, like when I'm styling it. If I want to wear it curly and down and I ran out, I was using this Urban Hydration. I don't remember what it's called. I'll probably take a picture of it or something, but it's by Urban Hydration. It's like a curling type of cream, moisture hold type of thing. I liked it. I'm almost out of it, so that's why I bought this, just because these are not cheap. I think Cantu went up, not gonna lie. I know back in the day when I used to use this, my hair liked it, so that's why I bought it again. This is the Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream, and this is like the argan oil flavor one. So like I said, I'm all about deep conditioning, so I got this Cantu for natural hair intensive deep treatment. Or actually I'd probably do this after I wash my hair, just put this in there. And then I bought two of these, but I used one of them already. I put it in, I have two spray bottles. I put this one in my other spray bottle, and this is the Shea Moisture Red Palm Oil and Cocoa Butter Curl Stretch Pudding with flaxseed oil, and this is for oily, curly, shrinkage prone hair. I like this a lot. I'm probably gonna end up buying in whatever container. These were only $1 when I bought these. That's why I bought them, just to try them out. But I definitely really like, I have that in my spray bottle, and every couple days I've been spraying it in my hair. For this to be like 4th day, 5th day hair, this is yeah, I will be buying this. So I got this Ruby Kisses Super Gloss, and this is the peppermint one. This one, I have it on right now. The next thing I got, and I know everyone says, oh, those don't work, don't get them, those don't work, but I did my edges with this today. It's like when you're going to checkout and they have like all those little bins, it's like the two-sided like edge brush. It was like $1.99. That's how they get me, like little cheap stuff like that, but I like it. So I got 2 eyebrow pencils because I ended up losing the brow pencil that I owned. I have the e.l.f. Brow Precise pencil. I lost it and I literally just found it today. Like I said, I had misplaced my other brow pencil and I really needed another one because I feel like I can't do my brows without using a brow pencil. So I got 2. This is by Kiss New York. It's Top Brow Auto Eyebrow Pencil Crayon, and this one is in the color brown, literally just brown. Out of these 2 pencils, the other one I got, this is the LA Colors Browie Wowie brow pencil, and this one is in, yeah, I have no idea what specific color this is, but when you look at these, like, I guess now that I'm looking in like a brighter light, they look around the same color, but now I can see this one's a little bit lighter. This one, the Browie Wowie, I love it. I've used it the past couple days by itself when I went to work, just to have my brows filled in a little bit more. I really, really like this brow pencil. This brow pencil, the formula is nice. I don't like it, but this is like what I'm filling my eyebrows in with. It falls out. I don't like that because when I first opened it, it did that and I thought I broke it, but it says brown. This has a really reddish undertone. And when I put this in, I was at work and I went in the bathroom. I was like, wow, my eyebrows are red, and I wanted to wipe it off, but I just kept it. But I didn't like it. So I like the consistency, but I don't really like how the thing fell out, but whatever. But the color of this, I should have got the darker color because this brown is too light for me. It should have been called light brown in my opinion. And then I can't find them, but I bought some fingernail clippers because for some reason I can't seem to keep up with mine. They were like $1, and then I got this, which is a nail filer. For some reason, I always need one of these and never have one, so I bought one of them. But lastly, I got this from Kroger's when I was in there. This is my Old Faithful. This is the noxema, or no eczema. I'm sorry, I can't call it that. The Noxema Classic Clean Original Deep Cleansing Cream, and this has eucalyptus oil in it, so I love it. Alright, that was it for today's video. Just a short haul I wanted to get done. Thank you so much for watching, and before you know it, I'll be back with a new video.